Welcome to our channel. In this step-by-step tutorial, we'll teach you everything you need to know about screen recording on your iPhone and iPad. Whether you want to capture gameplay, create tutorials, or save important moments, screen recording is a powerful feature that allows you to preserve and share your digital experiences. In this video, we will guide you through the process of screen recording on iOS devices, ensuring you become a pro in no time. Here's a sneak peek of what you'll learn. Enabling screen recording, exploring screen recording options, capturing your screen, editing and sharing your recordings. Bonus tips and tricks. Our tutorial doesn't end there. We'll share some bonus tips and tricks to enhance your screen recording experience. Learn how to enable the microphone for recording narration, capture system audio, and utilize third-party apps for advanced screen recording features. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to screen record on your iPhone or iPad. Unlock the ability to capture and share your favorite apps, moments, and experiences with ease. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Don't forget to share this tutorial with your friends and fellow iOS enthusiasts who want to unleash the power of screen recording. Let's dive in and start preserving your digital memories together. In the Control Center, locate the Screen Recording button, which looks like a circle inside a circle. If you don't see the Screen Recording button, you may need to add it to your Control Center by going to Settings. Control Center. Customize controls and tapping the plus next to Screen Recording. Customizing screen recording options. Press and hold the Screen Recording button in the Control Center. A pop-up menu will appear, allowing you to customize various options. You can toggle microphone audio on or off, choose to show or hide on-screen touches, and even enable or disable the recording indicator. Starting the screen recording. Once you have customized the settings, tap the Start Recording button. A 3-second countdown will appear, giving you time to navigate to the screen you want to record. Recording and controlling the screen recording. While screen recording is in progress, you'll see a red bar at the top of your screen. You can swipe down from the top of the screen to access the Control Center and tap the red recording indicator to stop the recording. Alternatively, you can tap the red status bar at the top of the screen and choose Stop from the pop-up menu. Accessing and editing the recording. Once you stop the screen recording, the video will be automatically saved to your Photos app. Open the Photos app and locate the recording in the Recents or Albums section. Tap on the video to play it, and if needed, you can use the built-in editing tools to trim, crop, or annotate the recording. Sharing the recording. After editing, tap the Share button to share your recording via AirDrop, Messages, Mail, or any other compatible app. You can also upload the recording to social media platforms like Instagram, YouTube, or Facebook directly from the Photos app. Congratulations! You've learned how to screen record on your iPhone and iPad. Start capturing and sharing your favorite moments, gaming achievements, or tutorials with the world. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials, tips, and tricks. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who may benefit from learning screen recording on iOS devices. Thank you for watching and happy recording.